How's it going? Today I'm going to put this air filter into this Honda engine. So this Honda engine is the HR215 5.0. This is one of their top end engines for Honda. And basically you need to change the air filters out whenever they're dirty. Typically every season, if you mow quite a bit, you would need to change it out very frequently. Now this is definitely an older mower and it needs a replacement for sure. As you can see, this one is completely dirty. This is how they look when they're dirty. This is brand new, and this doesn't even have the foam piece that comes with it. So after you take the thumb screw off, you're gonna go ahead and just place the filter, the kind of fan side going down, and it's an exact fit. And then you're just gonna put this piece of foam right on top. This cover is gonna have two tabs, and the two tabs are going to actually hook right here. And then you're just gonna kind of push it in place. The thumb screw is gonna go ahead and hold this down. So you wanna have slight pressure as you put it back in. This is gonna keep your engine running much cleaner. You wanna have clean air coming into the engine so that it doesn't gunk up the carburetor, any of the lines, anything like that. So pretty easy fix, just one thumb screw. Get rid of the old filter, put the new one in.